Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. If you have a Toyota Tundra and you need to change out your filter, this is how you do it. You pop this bad boy off. There's these little clips right here, one here and one here. This over on the passenger side of your truck. Lift it up, pull it out. It's very easy. Mine wasn't that dirty, but needed to be replaced. Guys, the Toyota guys were gonna charge me like $200 to do all this stuff, replace all these filters. Look at how easy this is. Take your hand, put it in there. It's bright orange, so it's hard to miss. Done. And take this off and clamp it down. It's hard to do with one hand, so I'm not gonna waste your time, but you push it down and it clamps. If you guys wanna know how to do the inside cabin filter, or maybe even a trick on battery acid, might involve Coke. Is that for me to drink, or is that for fixing a battery? Then stay tuned, click this video up here, click this video up here, and I'll show you how to change your filter inside as well. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. Thanks for watching.